Here's a sneak peek of the project we're doing today. We are going to be installing this trellis privacy wall, an egg chair, so much more to make over a small deck space for you to enjoy all season long. Hi, I'm Alex. Welcome back to my channel, Grace at Your Home. I'm so glad you're with me today. We're going to be working on the back deck behind me, cleaning it up, giving it a beautiful refresh. This is an outdoor oasis space for me, but as you can tell, it's not quite your oasis yet. I am big on a wellness journey this year. I do daily cold plunges in an ice bath, and I need this space looking a little better. One of my favorite features that we're going to dive into today is using PVC expandable trellis. This is such a unique and innovative product at Lowe's. But let's start diving into cleaning first. We have the entire area back here cleaned up. We blew it off with my Ego blower. And now it's time to come in with this 30-second outdoor cleaner. Absolutely love this product. I used this on so many places last season. It really helps with mildew, algae, all those things that build up, especially here in the South. I saved this bottle last year, and you could actually buy the concentrate at Lowe's. So I'm going to come in with the concentrate. I will mix it and put it in this bottle, and then you simply use this, spray it around, let it sit. I'm also going to come in, you'll see, with the scrubber to help kind of break up some of this mud and debris from winter, and it should clean up pretty nicely, and then we could get started on building the back wall. While the deck is drying, I'm going to build the rod attachments. I'm using 3/4 inch pipe that is galvanized, and this is so easy to turn together. And so I will put the dimensions I'm using on the screen and all the pieces, but I will just put this together like a big puzzle. And these connectors then will screw into my deck, and this pipe will come up top, and I'll be able to zip tie to it. Up next, we're going to drill our pilot holes for the pieces we just assembled. So I'm going to mark these. This is an extra one I just have. I'm going to put it up here on the deck, and then the other one we will mark once we have the pole standing here. But this will be super easy. Always pilot hole drill first, and then come in with the pipe supports are in for the PVC trellises. I love the design of these trellises. Let me show you. They're expandable, and on this side you can see it is a nice brown color, and then the greenery that we'll see for the privacy wall is on the front. I love these because you can manipulate them into all shapes and sizes. They also include these green outdoor exterior zip ties that make it great to attach them to things like the poles we have here, or you can use them in a lot of other places around your home. I just finished putting up the privacy wall behind me, and it looks so good. I'm really happy with how this lattice wall turned out. I will say one pro tip that I learned is that you should interlock them. Make sure you watch the clip before this to see my hack to making sure that these stay up and are connected. In this corner behind me, my goal is to add an oversized egg chair. I'm so excited for this find from Lowe's. This egg chair is not your normal egg chair. You are going to be able to fit 2, maybe 3 people if they're kids in this. Let's get to putting it together. Thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed what you saw with this outdoor project, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, hit a thumbs up on this video, the bell notification, so you can get notified on upcoming episodes. And as always, leave a comment below and let me know what you would like to see next for outdoor DIY projects.